Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with the walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go over some of the major talking points and features of both interior and exterior, and of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we'll go a little bit more in depth on the interior features. The vehicle itself is the 335D M Sport Saloon. It's presented in the black sapphire metallic, and of course alongside that we fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, also adding the 20-inch 795M Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. So at the front of the vehicle you'll see it is a 2016 66 Stretch. Also has the very nice LED headlamps, which you can currently see in operation. Down the side of the vehicle we've fitted the satin side vinyls, the gloss black sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. This vehicle is also equipped with BMW's superb M Sport Plus pack, so we get the much larger front and rear M Sport Plus brakes, sun protection glazing and a few other options which we'll point out as we go around. So sitting behind those very nice alloy wheels, there you can see those M Sport Plus brakes. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, which for this vehicle we've got the very nice black Dakota leather, which comes with the oyster highlights, as you can see there. And again, thanks to the Plus pack, you also get the heated and the electric lumbar options in the front. Moving around towards the rear seats now, where of course you find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench and a central folding armrest, and of course we've got the darkened M Sport headlining, which as you can see is just as nicely presented as everything else on this vehicle. And we'll take another look at the alloy wheels once again. Of course, being presented in black sapphire metallic, it is a nice subtle look involving the YNC Mperformance body styling kit. However, it is a very nice eye-catching overall finish and definitely looks fantastic with the black wheels and of course black exterior colour. So at the rear we've added the satin rear diffuser and the high gloss rear boot spoiler, and I'll open that luggage capacity I'll open the tailgate up, sorry, to show you how big the luggage capacity really is. And of course there you can see it goes all the way back, and we do have a nicely sized boot, of course, for the saloon version of the 3 Series. Moving round towards the other side of the car, again, we'll just take a couple of seconds to appreciate how well this vehicle does look in combination with one another. And those alloys really are very, very popular here at the moment. We're very, very happy that we can and are able to offer them on our ranges of vehicle. Moving on inside now, we're going to go ahead and just run you through a couple of the features and functions of this tremendously presented 335D M Sport. So starting the car up, straight away you'll see on the BMW business navigation and media screen, we've currently just got the DAB function up. However, in terms of your multimedia, there's a wide array of multimedia inputs covering you from everything from CD, USB audio, Bluetooth input and AUX inputs as well. You've also got the satellite navigation, of course, and your Bluetooth telephone connectivity as well. As I mentioned earlier, we've also got the heated seats in the front, a nice dual climate control system, and as well as being fitted with that lovely twin turbo engine, we've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, BMW's sophisticated xDrive 4-wheel drive system. In terms of mileage, it's covered just over 39,000 miles. Also has cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and is overall a fantastically presented, very nice 335D M Sport Saloon. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you. Hopefully this will help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Of course, you'll find all of the relevant contact information and website links in the description, where of course you can view the vehicle in a bit more detail and of course get in touch with us direct here at Your Next Car. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, guys. We hope to see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.